Chyba się timena pękła.
Yes! Lusztkę, what?
Skarguszka.
Hey guys, today I'm here with my little brother Luca. Say hi!
Hi!
And today we are making cupcakes. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video and let's go! Oh yes! Oh yes! We are going to be ready for this. So we are all ready. You can see these things? We are so cool. So the ingredients we will need for this are flavor, sugar, milk. I'm gonna do like this. Butter, baking powder, vanilla sugar, and some decorations. Okay, so these are ingredients, and now let's start. Yeah, and we are gonna do like normal cupcakes, like white cupcakes with some chocolate and some decorations on it. So yeah. So firstly, we are gonna need scale. Thank you. This is our scale, you guys can see it. Like this. We need 200 grams of flavor. So yeah, we need. Oh yeah, this is a big spoon of flavor. Shall I do it more? Yes, a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, and now we're gonna put this into this big bowl. Like this. Great. Now we need 100 grams of sugar. So we got these sugar cubes. Let's see. Oh, a little bit more. Give me this. Two. A little bit more. Okay. Great. So now we need
1 packet of
So now we need
1 packet of vanilla sugar.
Yes. So open this and just put here. And also we need 2 spoons of baking powder. Oh, then Danielle. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Tick, 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 tick. Guys, can you see this mixture here? Actually, it's not a mixture yet, but it will be soon. Now we have to melt the butter in this bowl. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this. Guys, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. That much. Here. Now I'm gonna melt this here. And also we need some eggs. We forgot to mention that a few minutes ago, but yeah, we need some eggs. We need 2 eggs, so we're just gonna crack them here. So here are eggs, and we also need some milk. So we got milk here. We need 150 milliliters of milk, I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see. And now we have to mix that with fork. Here you go. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, now we're gonna pour this here. Like this. So now we're gonna mix it. We got an electric mixer. Can you see it? Why it's not working? So guys, somehow this thing, it's not working. So we're gonna mix that with our hand. Like this. So we have some technical problems with this one, so now we have to mix that with our hand. So once you got your mixture, you can see it, we are going to get cupcake cases and we are going to prop them all in your cupcake holders. Is that how it's called? I don't know. So yeah, we're going to prop them here. Ta-da! We're gonna make like 12 big ones, but you can make 20 small ones, I think. And now we have to decorate them. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So this is how it looks now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So now we're gonna put this into the oven and we're gonna leave there for 20 minutes. Like this. So here are our finished cupcakes! I think they're pretty good. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, remember to go down there and hit the big thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments down below what you think. Did you like them? I don't know, I'm pretty happy about it. What about you? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, and also check out my social media, links are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. But until then, drink some hot chocolate and have a good life. Bye bye!